welcome to the first installment of Half-Fast How-To, the channel where I provide unrealistic solutions to real challenges. I'm Roscoe, and today I'm going to show you how to use sticky notes to save the planet. From what, you ask? Plastic bottles.
When you're out and about, keep your eyes open for one of these water dispensers. They're becoming more and more common, and you can use them to fill your bottle with filtered water. These dispensers have a sensor that detects when there's a bottle present. When you put a bottle under the spout, it starts the water flowing. Take the bottle away, and the water shuts off. They also have a little counter that displays how many plastic bottles have been saved by that dispenser. The more times you refill your bottle, the more plastic bottles you save. This is great, but who has time to stand there refilling their bottle all day? And who can drink that much water? This is where the sticky note comes in. Observe. Place a sticky note over the sensor and the water starts flowing. The number of plastic bottles saved just keeps growing.
So just make sure to carry a pad of sticky notes with you so you can do this whenever you encounter one of these dispensers. And that's how you save the planet, using sticky notes. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, become a patron, nominate me for a Nobel Prize, or whatever else you can think of to make me famous.